How to add and install a plugin in Claude Code terminal. So Claude Code has a built-in marketplace with hundreds of plugins that extend what it can do. Here is how you can add one. So go to your terminal and you have to run your Claude. So make sure the Claude is already installed in your terminal. Type here Claude, and now we're gonna type here / and plugin and press enter. This opens the Discover Plugins screen where you can browse all available plugins. There are 175. You can go down and see all of them. Here is, for example, Figma. Here is Supabase, Telegram, etc. Slack. So use your arrow keys to navigate through these plugins. When you find one you want, hit space to select it and enter to view details and install it. Now you can install it, press enter, it's installing. Now go / and reload plugins to activate it in your current session. That's it. Now the plugin is running inside your Claude Code and you can start using it right away. So this was very simplified. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.